Kardom Kadokawe Phanta and welcome back to my channel Mix Manai Journey. I hope everybody is doing good. Nang litum anta mesan lang posining thelo. Tapi pini a video bang ke ni nang ke wan pike types of pekok, kalite names of pekok that are worn by Karbi women. Karbi tum non hud bange modern hud bange belek varieties do hedi. Sita me bihek pen ko so type of pekok si mane karjulong bear na laso pekok sinang paklang pon ikbo polo. So let's get started. Let's start the video.
The first pekok that I'm wearing is Assam.Especislly Pekok. It literally means an old lady's cloth, but there is no such rules. It can be worn by all ages. So this red and black vertical strips pekok is called Assam.Especislly Pekok. It has also the same design, muffler or poho, the pesar. The second pekok that I'm wearing is selling pekok. Not exactly selling style, but selling design pekok. It is always designed or woven with white body and red motifs. And here is the simple black and green check pekok. It is called Pekok. It can be of different colors. And here is the Konjari pekok that I'm wearing. It is one of the common pekok that you will find most of the women wearing, but it does not consist of only this pink, but it has varieties of color that you will get to see the Karbi women are wearing. So this is called Konjari pekok. And guys, here I'm wearing modern Rolex pekok. So the color is a bit off and my blouse is a bit bigger, but please don't mind guys. So it is a bit of glittering and you can find varieties of colors in such type of pekok. And this is Honkewai pekok. So this is basically cotton and mostly of white, and only the cloth material is different, but such kind of pekok we get to see even in the olden times, but only the motifs are different.
Kung lo video ning dok manang litum jong sining dok lote like, share, comment and subscribe ha. Lapen nililong ka we bangke lason sibu ke joga pekok labang sibu ke joge kali hedi. Sita lason na color lo sibu ke joga pekok buda do pura cotton induk ni titi akrang ni lipi hedi sibu jog pikiti. Nange ni lipi bang chemoy joy lo opi ang song ke jumi nang pidun bom non. Lapen olah orange color hai pejang po. So bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.
So that's all for today's video guys. So which of my video do you like? Which of my pekok do you like the most? Please do comment in the comment section guys. And last but not the least, I wanted to show you Pejangpong. This is also kind of Karbi traditional pekok. This orange is called Pejangpong, and the blue is blue dye, and this is Sibu ke Jok Ape, and the picture is of my sister-in-law Neng Ampu. Thank you Neng.